Hey James, remind me to get some petrol on the way home. Hey Daniel, I don't think anybody's home. Hey James, can you put a cork in it? James, do you think I should start buying fireworks now, or should I wait till fall? Dad, you have to hurry up. Winter is coming. James, whenever you're feeling down, just always remember, God is listening. Do you think I should put this video up now, or wait till later? Hey Dan, what could you call a baked good film? A bread vid.
Johnny.
You look like you need someone to lend a hand. Daniel, I found the perfect name for your musical endeavour. Disco Dads.
No, I just want you to stand in front of it.
Hey James,
Creepy man.
I'll take a bullock for you.
I found a good one. I found a nugget.
Hey Dan, has anyone ever told you you're glorious in flight? Hey Dan, James just told me that he cannot bear any more of these puns. I'm sorry James, but there's no sign of me stopping. Hey James, about those new supervillains. Do you think Batman's got them yet? Dad, I've had enough. You're gonna have to stop with your bad puns. Hey James, I think Sam spelled reindeer wrong.